In 1965, a spacecraft was passing over the Sahara Desert. The two astronauts on board were looking down at the ground in great astonishment. They had seen something in the middle of the Sahara that was quite hard to believe. These two astronauts, James McDivitt and Edward White, saw a structure in the desert resembling a human eye. Amazingly, there was also a pupil in the center, just like a real human eye. This unique and mysterious structure is so large that it can only be seen from space. It is known as the Eye of the Sahara, or the Richat Structure. If the Richat Structure is viewed from the ground, its rings are so large that no one would realize they are standing among them. You might think that this is the mark of a massive asteroid impact, but in reality, it is not. Scientists have not found any evidence of an asteroid impact here. This is why this structure has deeply puzzled the scientific community. How did this unique and perfectly circular structure form in the vast desert that stretches for thousands of miles? We do not know for sure, but the map of the lost city of Atlantis described by historians closely resembles the Eye of the Sahara. Not just one or two, but dozens of maps of Atlantis depict it as a highly advanced civilization with cities built in a ring shape. And each ring was connected to the others by bridges. Many similarities have been observed between the shape of the Eye of the Sahara and the described Atlantis. As for its location, around 450 BC, the Greek historian Herodotus created a map of the world at that time, which mentions a city named Atlantis in the west of Africa. If this map is compared with today's world map, the location of Atlantis matches exactly with the location of the Richat Structure. Nowhere else in the world has a structure similar to the Richat been found, which is why it remains a mystery for science. The original story of the lost island of Atlantis comes to us from two Socratic dialogues written by the Greek philosopher Plato around 360 BCE. These dialogues are called Timaeus and Critias. According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful and advanced civilization that existed 9,000 years before his time. Atlantis was a large island located beyond the Strait of Gibraltar. Atlantis had impressive buildings, a strong navy, and advanced technology. The city had rings of water and land, with a palace and a temple to Poseidon in the center. The Atlanteans became corrupt and greedy, leading to their downfall, and were destroyed in a single day and night by earthquakes and floods, sinking into the ocean. Some believe Plato's account is a myth or allegory, while others think it might have a historical basis. The Richat Structure, or Eye of the Sahara, is a recent theory, but no proof has been found. Only thorough investigation will reveal whether Atlantis truly existed here or if it is just a remarkable coincidence. It may take a few more years to fully prove this theory. Besides the Richat Structure, the Sahara Desert holds many more secrets. We will continue to bring you videos about the mysteries of the Sahara Desert, and you definitely won't want to miss them. That's all for now. Stay curious, keep learning, and stay with us. Click here for a new secret of the Sahara Desert.